17 years old, comes to you and says, Boss Albert, tell me what I should do with my life to stay out of trouble and then give me a chance to, like, what advice will you give me so that I can do well or be okay? What advice do you give him?
A young guy like 17 years.
17 years, yes.
Best thing my Kelenzi. Okay, one thing on a ke, ole nyumona. Call le nyumbo. Nibi kume kwa ya omi sure be because we sure nyumbo be. Or nibi kume no nyofe. No stay away nyanyuma. Cafe friends be. Yeah. Okay. I have friends a lot, but in peta amenakai. Kemi ho ken ho mini ano. No. Cafe nyanyu because coffee nyanyu. Eke babu te ko ne sa no babu te. Yeah, in nyanyu me pi she in close friends here. Makula ke boafo best friend. In fe best man ke eben le unkeleji in gym mates ni. Okay. Ni nyanyu me gym ye nyanyu me pi she boys sa ya heko abata shi anu dan ke ni bi ona mi